So here's what the situation we have is we've taken an outlet, we've moved the outlet from this location to this location, obviously leaving a hole that we don't want anymore. We need to patch. In order to patch that, the first thing we need to do is put wood backing on the inside of the wall to hold a new patch of drywall. We'll screw it on through this location right here. Before we put the screws in, we'll make sure there aren't any wires behind the wall. So you reach in the hole and check inside the wall to be sure there aren't any wires or plumbing, anything that could be hit by the screws. Once the area is clear, then we take our wood backing. And I prefer to use these little 1x2 pieces of wood. They don't splinter and it's light enough. It's all you really need, about 12-inch piece. You want that because we're going to put this wood on the other side of the wall so that part of the wood is below the hole, part of the wood is above the hole. I've made a mark in the middle of the wood to give me an idea to make sure I've got the right distance. So we just place this wood inside the hole, find the mark, put the mark in the middle of the hole, hold it tightly against the wall. Now we're ready to screw it in. So now we have our wood backing in the opening. We've screwed on, it's good and tight. It's strong enough to hold a piece of drywall that we can insert in this area. So the next thing to do is to cut a piece of drywall. And what we're going to do is just take this drywall, line it up to the opening, make a mark, just slightly recessed from the opening. You don't want to make it too large or make it small enough to fit in. Move it over here. Same thing, a little bit less than here. We'll just back it off a little bit. And there we have, that's our patch. There's a special little technique to cutting drywall that's fairly easy to do. We've got our marks here. I'm going to line up a straight edge and just pencil across the board. We know this is our patch area.
To view this entire video on basic drywall repair, go to thatwallguy.com.